Hi everybody, this is Paul Feuerstein. I am at the Chicago Midwinter Meeting and I stopped by the DentalEZ booth because these are the handpieces I was brought up on in dental school, and you've upgraded the handpieces, haven't you, Russ? This is Russ.
We have,
sorry.
hi, good. No, that's right. Good to see you. Yeah, we've upgraded the handpieces, launching a couple new handpieces at this show, in fact.
Okay, so tell me about the different handpieces that you have.
Yeah.
And what makes them better?
Yeah. Well, as you know, we have the full gamut: high speed, low speed, air driven, and now an electric that we manufacture ourselves.
Oh.
And so, for a year, like you said, when you were in dental school, we had the 430 series.
Right.
We've since moved this year.
It still works.
It still works. I believe it. I believe it. We've moved this year to the 440 series.
Uh-huh.
The 440 series is designed with a couple specific things in mind. Number one, it's really ergonomically inclined. That is, the balance is what we really focused on in this handpiece. We also focused on our secure grip. As you can see, it's got a textured grip here,
yeah. Uh-huh.
so that with your gloves, it's really very tacky. So it's a little bit less hand fatigue, a little bit easier to maneuver. The head size,
really small.
Yeah, the head size is a little bit smaller, and it carries the same power as our 430 torque, which most people were used to, 27 watts of power. So very well designed handpiece in terms of ergonomics, power, balance, and feel.
Cool.
So that's the new one for us, our 440.
Uh-huh.
We also have, if you look behind you, we're going to launch this year, or at this show, in fact, we're launching the Star E900. The E900 is our first electric handpiece manufactured in-house. It's about 15% lighter than any other electric handpiece. Yeah, you can feel how light it is.
Yeah.
In fact, today I had a doc say, well, I don't use electric because they're heavy. And I said, hey, come feel ours. And he was really amazed at this.
This is nice.
Yeah, the E900.
I like the head too.
Yeah, small head design, really ergonomically designed. In fact, if you look at the body of it, it's very short body.
Oh, I see.
So it's designed with kind of the demographic that's coming out of the dental schools right now in mind. So
cool.
Light, well balanced. I'm going to pop that back together. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
And powerful. One of the unique features of this handpiece is it does have intelligence built into it. Our DentalEZ technology. That's right. In the handpiece, the motor and the tubing all are RFID trackable.
Wow.
So you can determine, what path these handpieces have followed. Have they been autoclaved recently? Have they been used recently? How long were they used? Different things like that. So
I might get a heads up before this thing dies and needs some repair.
Absolutely, yeah. The handpiece itself,
I like this.
What we tried to do was really listen to the clinicians in the field. So a couple of things that we did. I talked to you about the size. I talked to you about the weight, but in the software of the handpiece, we made sure that it was usable across the board. This one handpiece can be high speed, low speed, or endo.
Wow.
So you don't have to change it out because it has 10 profiles to work with, and you can determine what any of those profiles are set up to do.
I customize them for myself too.
Absolutely, yeah. So that handpiece has been designed to work with that one head, regardless of what you're doing. And then the final feature I'll tell you about, which we're really proud of, is that it's heat sensing. So the handpiece gets to a certain temperature and it gives you a warning that you're overheating. If you don't let off, if you don't take that back down, it turns off instantaneously.
That's great, because you don't want to burn people's cheeks
Exactly.
and things like that.
And
no
that
matter how great this is constructed, dentists are pretty brutal sometimes.
Yeah, well, they have to be sometimes, they have to get after it. So
wow.
That's the Star E900. That was the Star 440. And that's what we're launching at the Chicago Midwinter.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Great to see you.
Thanks. Good to see you.